Hey everybody, I'm going to Niagara Falls for a big stuffed hamburger. Going to Rock Burgers in Niagara Falls, New York. Niagara Falls. Slowly I turn, step by step, inch by inch. You know the story. All right, come along with us. We're gonna have some fun along the way, maybe, and on the way back. But I'm really going up there for a big, juicy stuffed couple of hamburgers. Let's get started. It's a holiday. Okay. All right, everybody, come along. We're gonna have some fun. I'm hungry too, you know that. Come
on. We just passed the border.
Look. We keep missing the signs. We're in New York. Text area. That's something new instead of a rest area. You see, text area.
Yeah.
Taste New York. We're gonna taste them hamburgers. Almost. Still hungry, you know that, right? I feel like I'm going on a roller coaster or something. Woo!
Nice view.
Well, we made it. There goes a helicopter. Woo! Going on a helicopter ride. No way. No way. Woo.
You want to go?
Yeah, I want to look for that hamburger. That's what I came here for, right?
What about the helicopter?
No, I'm not going on that.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Right. Enough I had to fly a small plane in the Grand Canyon a couple years ago.
That was fun too.
I can watch it on TV. Alright, here's the hotel.
Alright, here we are.
Yeah, we're a block away from Canada. We gotta make sure we don't get across the border by mistake. Alright. How close we are to Canada. This is the hotel room out the window. Amazing view of the helicopter port. There's my truck though, that's good. You remembered my truck? Wonder how it's gonna look at nighttime. Look at that thing, that's a casino. First wheel over there, it's gonna be a party at nighttime. Oh no, that's a casino. Well, everything's a casino. I don't know. What do I know? Coming soon, food court, attractions. I'm still looking for that hamburger. I'm looking for a Rock Burger now. I think it's going to take 5 minutes to walk there, is that right?
Yep, that's right.
To the Rock Burger. That's why I came here. My buddy Jeff's girl Cassie told him about it. I said, man, I gotta go. I looked up the menu. Big stuffed burgers. You get stuffed with anything. Doritos, macaroni and cheese. I think I'm gonna get double bacon and cheddar and Come on, we gotta go.
Hey, how many miles did you go for this hamburger?
Oh, about 600. I think I gotta check the truck. It's about 600 miles, I think.
I hope it's good.
Okay, we'll see you there.
Right down the street.
I still ain't going on that thing. No way. No way. Woo. She wants to. I ain't going. You want to? Huh?
I want to.
No way. You can go. I'll pay for it. All right.
I don't want to go without you.
Well, I don't want to go. I'll stay on the ground. Woo. Came for a hamburger. That big ice cream cone. Woo. Jeez. 56 flavors. See, we can get lost in Canada quick. Niagara Street. That's a twist of the mist. Yep. Look, I see a sign. It must be a sign. Rock Burger, home of the stuffed burger. Whew. Where are you? Still worried about that helicopter, huh? Where's Rock Burger? Right here. What? Inside Player Sports Bar. Oh, Rock Burger's inside of here. All right, let's see what's going on. Maybe we could eat outside, huh? You wanna? Yeah. Let's go order up. You know what you want?
No, they have specials all the time, remember?
Hope they got a t-shirt for me. Hope they got a t-shirt.
Oh yeah, I hope so.
Inside a Player Sports Bar. Look at what I want. You know what you want?
Nope, I have to look at the menu.
Oh, it's a big menu. All right. Well, all week I was looking at this tightrope walker.
Which one?
Double bacon, double cheddar, stuffed on top with more bacon and cheddar. But now I see the Dorito Explosion looks good. Stuffed with sharp American and Cool Ranch Doritos. Topped with sharp American, ranch seasoning, bison dip, and Frank's. Must be the Frank's hot sauce. And then tomorrow I'm going to get another one. But today I'm just going to have one. Right? I might take one home. I ordered the Dorito Explosion, and she got a goat burger. What the heck is that?
Goat Island. It's part of Niagara Falls.
Oh, is it really?
But it's made with goat cheese
Goat
stuffed
cheese.
in the middle.
All right,
Yeah.
and we're gonna eat outside, I think. And I'm just getting one right now, but ouch, got a cramp. Ouch. But I'm gonna come back tomorrow for another one. Do you see all the things on the menu? I'll put a menu there. You can look at it.
Yeah, he said they're award-winning.
Oh yeah, the Dorito Explosion was award-winning. They were voted #2 burger place in New York State.
That's a big deal.
There's some other people from where we came from in there. Weird, huh? Cool, small world. See that ravioli burger and all that? Did I say that?
Oh,
already?
I know.
Am I repeating myself like my mom? So many.
Well, there were so many things.
Oh, what are
on
they
the
out of?
menu.
A Twix burger and a...
Yeah, a French onion.
Yeah, wow. All right, if you ever get up this way, I bet they don't have a franchise all over the country. All right, it's gonna be about 15 minutes and it'll be out here. I'm gonna make a mess. More like it. The Dorito Explosion. I gotta take off my glasses for this one. Look, stuffed. Stuffed burger. Ranch. Frank's. Doritos inside. Let me get a bite. Crunchy in there. Crunchy Doritos in there. Oh boy. That's so good. It's worth a 600-mile trip. These are onion rings with taco seasoning on. Oh! You gotta learn how to make one of these, huh?
Yep.
It's so good. So what do you have? We have goat cheeseburger.
Here, I'll show you. Okay, this is a burger stuffed with goat cheese. Look inside here. Oh my God, it's oozing out. And then it's topped with cheddar cheese and barbecue sauce and guacamole,
Oh, man.
avocados. Oh my God. And then I have fries that are seasoned with Cajun spice.
Let's see it. Wow.
The flavor.
Oh, did you get the meat?
I got the goat cheese on the meat and the avocado.
Oh boy.
Oh my God.
Rock burger. You rock. Oh boy.
Happy birthday, Rick.
Thank you. I'm almost done, and there's still a lot of Doritos inside, and they're crunchy. And it's still good. I'm glad it's not too big. It's good. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's the best Dorito stuffed hamburger I ever had. Cheeseburger. All right, I'm going to finish this up. I'm so glad I came for this. Thanks for telling me about it, Jeff. I might take one home, huh? Am I going? Yeah, when we leave. A couple days or whatever. I'm going to get one to take home. See how it travels. Maybe I'll put that at the end of this. All right, I'll see you. Thank you. This is the guy that made them hamburgers. Stuffed burgers. It was good.
Rock burger.
What'd you say about the Dorito? They won an award?
Won an award for the Dorito explosion last summer.
Yeah, that was so good. I loved it.
Yeah,
Awesome, guys.
Thanks a lot. We're
Thank
coming
you.
Yeah, it was
back
great.
tomorrow for another one.
Awesome. Have a good one.
You too. Let me hear a sentence using the word isthmus. This must be my lucky day. Good money on the ground. It just keeps getting better. I'm keeping it too. Oh yeah. Thank you. Back at Rock Burger again. This is the second day I'm coming here. Remember, this trip was all about coming to Niagara Falls for stuffed rock burgers. My buddy Jeff told me, remember? I mentioned it earlier. Today I'm going to get Rocky ravioli, stuffed with crunchy ravioli, deep fried ravioli. Kathy's going to get stuffed with cheesesteak, or cheesecake.
Cheesecake with strawberry topping.
Cheesecake Wonder, what's it called? And we're going to wrap them up and take them home and eat them at home. So we'll see you at home eating these. We'll see how well they travel. It's almost 700-mile round trip. I think I was wrong with the mileage in the beginning. Anyway, I'm going to finish them at home this time. So good. I'd bring a case home if I could. All right, let's go in and get them.
There was probably 100 people. We waited in line for an hour just to get in. Yeah, it took us an hour to get in. Usually it's the other way around. Trying to get back to the state. I had a very different experience. So yeah, it took us like 2 hours.
Gotta have more. Gotta have more.
Yeah.
Get in the can right there.
Got them. Let's go. Let's drive home and eat these. Oh boy. Come on. We didn't make it home. We're going to eat them in the hotel. We can't wait. We're going to try to make it home, but they look so good and they smell so good. We're going to eat them right now.
Yeah.
So you can join us. We're in the hotel. You got a, did you get a cheeseburger what? Or a cheesecake? Let me look at the menu again. What was it? Cheesecake Explosion?
No, I forget the name.
I got a picture of the menu here. Cheesecake Wonder. Stuffed with cheesecake. Stuffed with New York cheesecake. Topped with bacon and strawberry glaze.
Okay,
So,
let's check it out. Oh my God, the smell. That's what really got me. Is I can't avoid the smell.
Yeah.
Look at the cheesecake running out. Wait, I gotta get this in their vision. Look at the cheesecake running out of this thing. Oh my God. And look, the topping is strawberry glaze
You gotta take a
and
bite.
bacon.
It's stuffed with cheesecake.
Stuffed with cheesecake, strawberry glaze, and bacon. Oh my gosh. Get this paper down so you can see. See, could you wait to take that home? I don't think so.
Woo! I got Rocky ravioli, stuffed with deep fried ravioli, Parmesan cheese, topped with marinara, mozzarella, romano, and dried parsley. Want to see mine?
Go show them yours.
Rocky Rav. Oh, potato chips. I would have got fries if we were going to eat there. Or onion rings like I had yesterday. Oh man, smell this. Oh. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm going in! Fried ravioli in there. What, you want a picture of this?
Yeah.
Mozzarella?
Picture. Show me close. Oh my gosh.
We ate so much on this vacation.
Good thing I packed napkins.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need a vacation from a vacation. Take another bite and show you what's in there. It's stuffed in there. Deep fried ravioli. Didn't make it home, sorry. That's okay. I'm happy to eat it here. Maybe we'll get more when we leave again.
I can't let Rick have a bite of this. But you're gonna.
There's stuffed ravioli in there. Oh, you see, okay? Oh,
Great. For one bite. Ravioli. Oh my God, it tastes like a meatball.
it's good, huh? Mozzarella, ravioli, fried ravioli, crunchy. What did the sign say on the wall down there? We don't make regular burgers.
Right. They don't make regular burgers.
Cheesecake.
Well, I went back. I know.
Oh,
I
that's a
know.
dessert burger.
Oh my God.
It's sweet. Is it worth driving all that way?
Oh yeah.
That's the only reason I came up here, Niagara Falls. Slowly I turn, and step by step, inch by inch, and I grabbed him, and I punched him, and I kicked him. Then I took this big hamburger.
Do you know how many times I heard that this week?
Niagara Falls.
So good. So good.
Oh my God, I'm so full. I should have weighed myself when I left. Oh, I thought you were almost done. You got something down there.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody, thank you very much for coming along with us. If you're ever up around Niagara Falls, New York side, stop in Rockburger. It's easy to find. It's right down the street.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be so happy you did.
Maybe shouldn't open a franchise in your area, but probably not. I don't know. Sometimes it's better when there's only one location in the world. Some guys figured it out, though. They're nice, though, nice and friendly.
Yeah, they are.
All right, everybody. Stop back soon. Please subscribe. We'll see you when we're back home. Ah, yeah.
Good shot.